Hey everybody. Wanted to get Soda Pop in, and actually got about as dirty as she possibly could be, Soda Pop. My goodness, man. Sometimes I think she goes out there and rows in the dark. That little dark one right there, that's a little girl. So, Saturday morning with Zoe. I guess I'll wake her poopers up. I did a quick video of Tammy's. Oh my goodness, Zoe. Did you go roll in the dirt, Soda Pop? Oh, now we got some hungry poopers. These puppies was born Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5-day-old little poopers now. Wow, they some hungry little poopers. Worry about Zoe being so dirty. Hey, Soda Pop, it's okay, Soda Pop. Aww, good sweetie. Boy, there's some hungry little poopers this morning, though. Just wanted to do a quick video. Didn't want to leave any of them out. You didn't get where the milk was, little pooper. Not that away, pooper. There you go, pooper. You give him some milk, though, Pop. Good girl, sweetie. Good girl. We're going to move her out of here within the next few days. We're just kind of waiting for the puppies to get big enough, though. We have another dog room that we put them in, though. But the big dogs, when it rains and storms, they have to go on there for shelter and stuff, though. Give him some milk, Soda Pop. There's a little boy right there. I believe the only dark one in here, it must be a bow one, was from there's a little girl. The rest are all kind of light. Well, maybe not all light, though. Yeah, Mama, gotta get the milk, Mama. Zoe. You gotta get some milk, Soda Pop. Little puppy hungry. Very hungry for this precious life that we live. Well, I just let her back in, though. Took them all for a walk this morning, and she got wet. And evidently, she's out there digging in the dirt or something, though. She's actually a very light-colored golden, though. One of my favorites, though. My Soda Pop. Very sweet girl and very protective mama, though. One of the smartest Goldens I'd ever raised in my life, though. She's awful smart, though. And it is like you see her ancestors, the great wolf, come out in her when she's out there hunting. Soda Pop, what's wrong with you, Soda Pop? What's that little pooper doing, Soda Pop? It's okay, Zoe. It's okay, Soda Pop. That little pooper can't get no milk, Soda Pop. The poopies are hungry, Soda Pop. What's the matter, Zoe? I think I interrupted her doing something outside. Knowing her, she's hunting. She's always been the scout for the pack. There you go, little poopers. It's okay, Soda Pop. This little pooper can't get no milk. Little hungry boy, Soda Pop. He'll find some milk, won't he, Soda Pop? Hello, Soda Pop. Oh, no. Dang. Oh, Zoe. We have got some very, very hungry little poopers. We're hoping Monday, as soon as the threat of bad storms stop coming in, though, we're going to put her in the other dog room, though. Right now, we kind of got her in a small laundry room of ours. So I redid the whole floor in there just for my dogs, though. Put some wood grain tile all through it. I guess that's about it, though, y'all. Just wanted to give an update on Soda Pop puppies. I know she has some hellacious puppies in her litters, too, though, man. A lot of bragging. They say her puppies are awful smart, just like Mama is, though. Well, this is Rick on a Saturday morning with my Soda Pop and and her little golden puppies. Hoping everybody has a mighty great day.